Okay, one more minute and we will start with the orientation. Let's just wait for one more minute. Hi, good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Shita.
Okay, am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. So we'll start now since Pranav sir has already joined with us. Welcome to all the participants in the online certificate course on environmental laws. We are excited to have you join us and looking forward to a productive and engaging learning experience. Before proceeding further, I would like to discuss the guidelines of the webinar, which all the participants needs to keep in mind throughout this 1 month duration of the certificate course. Attendees must join using their proper names to facilitate communication and networking. Camera should be turned on to foster a sense of engagement and participation. The second point, I'm repeating again, camera should be on. So if you people don't have any problem, please turn your cameras on, because it just seems like that me and Pranav sir are there very much on the camera and no participants are there on camera. Thank you very much, Kartike. Thank you so much, Vaibhav ji. Okay. Uh, Please dress appropriately as you would for the professional setting. Keep microphones muted unless instructed otherwise by the moderator to minimize the background noise. Participants are expected to maintain decorum and refrain from the disruptive behavior or languages. Feel free to ask questions or contribute to the discussions when prompted by the moderator or the speaker. ensure a stable internet connection, and minimize distractions during the session. These guidelines aims to create a conducive and respectful environment for all the participants. Also, the top performing participants can get the opportunity of getting a paid internship at the end of the course. This depends on the factors such as 100% attendance, joining the sessions on time, submitting the assignments given by the speaker on time, and showing etiquettes while interacting with the faculty, moderator, and the other participants. Now I'd like to share something about legal research and analysis. So LRA, Legal Research and Analysis, is a platform dedicated to promoting legal education, research, and advocacy. It aims to bridge the gap between theory and practice by bringing together professionals, experts, and learners for knowledge sharing and discussions on various aspects of the law. Our platform is designed to help you navigate the complexities of law and stay updated on the latest legal developments. We aim to provide comprehensive, easy to understand legal information, making it accessible all over the internet. Our team consists of the experienced legal professionals with expertise in global legal system, particularly in India and other countries. They stay current with the latest laws, amendments, and industry developments through ongoing education and training. Our service includes pre-arbitration and post-award research, legislation tracking, case law research, analysis of legal documents, and promotion of human rights. We also offer legal data searching and analyzing services. We assign a dedicated team to each client to ensure quality and efficiency, adhering to professional conduct and ethics. And thank you for choosing Legal Research and Analysis. Stay connected for daily legal updates and news. Now I'd like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Pranav Jha, the founder of the Legal Research and Analysis. Welcome, sir.
Hi, Shikha. Very good evening.
Good evening. Before I request Pranav sir to start this orientation, I'll take this privilege to introduce our distinguished mentors who are going to be there with us for this 1 month. Since our mentors are not available as of now, but I'd like to introduce them. Ms. Utsa Sarkar is an assistant professor at Neotia University in Kolkata, West Bengal. With extensive experience in teaching environmental law, Ms. Sarkar has contributed significantly to environmental education and legal scholarship, helping students and professionals understand the complexities of environmental regulations and policy. Mr. Mohammad Kasif Raza Khan is a research scholar in environmental law at Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. He has worked extensively on issues related to environmental sustainability, legal implications, and policy frameworks. His expertise in environmental law will add valuable depth to our discussions throughout this course. And with their guidance, I'm very much confident that we will have a very insightful experience. Let us get started. Over to you, Pranav, sir.
Thank you so much. I think that she is going to be the moderator and she is going to handle all the issues from now. So, first of all, welcome everyone to the certificate course on environmental law. So, I believe that while I was going through the number of participants and the discipline from which they hail from, I'm glad that there are wide gamut of disciplines and the students and the participants that come up. They're also from the very first year of their graduation, and also there are senior professionals working in their own domain. So I think that's something which is unique, which every time it comes as a surprise to us. And it's good that we are serving for the betterment of the society. And I feel that courses like environmental law, human rights law, animal rights, and research writing courses, women's right, fundamental right, the courses which we keep on launching, I think it is of a pivotal importance. And mind you, whoever have joined this particular course curriculum, I believe that it is very important, and the faculties who are going to teach you and train you about the importance of environmental law, their mechanisms, the environment impact assessments, and other, environment protection acts and other legal legislations that are coming up in the loop. So I think the course curriculum has been designed in such a format which will help you to understand maybe any student who is just willing or wanting to learn about environmental law, and also an expert who are willing to see a scope in the field of environmental law, or maybe willing to work in, let's say, any of the tribunals, let's say National Green Tribunal for that matter, right? So there are a lot of scope also in the environmental law regime. But then, since today is an orientation session, I would not like to, brief in detail about the course curriculum. Rather, it would be more good if I would want to know about yourself. So, Shikha, what we are going to do is, as we generally keep on doing, is we will take an quick introduction of everybody.
Yes, sir.
Maybe we'll be posing 3 to 4 questions to them. Maybe the first question can be about their educational background. Then it can be about what are their expectation
Expectations from this
from
course.
this course, right? And maybe if they wish to say something else, also if they have worked in the field of environmental law or in their sector, they can also do that. I think that
Yes, sir.
can be the best way to interact, and then only we can be in a position to understand that from what domain these professionals or the experts have come up, so that we can use it or maybe brief the same to our faculties who are going to take up the classes. So
Yes,
over
sir.
to you, Shika. Maybe you just keep on calling the names.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes, sir.
between, if I see that I'll have to interject, I'll also do that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, we'll start with Saraswati Patra. Saraswati Patra ji. Can we have
Uh,
you on board?
Hello.
Yes. Hello. Good
Actually,
evening.
uh, very good evening. Actually, my name is Sashwati,
It
uh,
shows, okay,
and I'm glad
Sashwati Patra.
to rectify.
I'm so sorry.
Yes, Sashwati Subhalakshmi Patra. So, I belong to Odisha, and I just passed my graduation, completed my graduation from College of Forestry, OUAT, Bhubaneswar. For as I belong to forestry stream, I would be glad to know more about environment and laws that defy them, and that's why I joined the course. Thank you.
I think that's very important for you also, since you already have a domain knowledge of the area. So you have
Actually,
done a
and it's a crucial part
thorough
of it.
course about. Yes, yes, yes. I think it's going to be a very helpful area for you to have this certificate course. Maybe that can help you amplify your CV and other career opportunities.
Actually,
Okay, all the
Thank you,
best.
Sashwati ji, and sorry once again. Uh,
fine, fine.
Next, can we have Adarsh ji? Adarsh ji, yes. Hello,
Uh,
good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Adarsh. Yes, I belong to Kerala. I am currently pursuing a BSc Honors and in Environmental Science here in Delhi, Ramanjan College. Okay, and I expect to learn more about environmental law so that I can integrate my knowledge with the judiciary knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you, others. I think that again we have some lined up, students who are very much associated with the environmental law
Subject itself.
regime. That's great. Okay. Thank you, Adarsh.
Thank you. Okay. So there's no name. I see it AICPOAP. Sarji, here we have him. Can you unmute yourself? Thank you.
Hello,
Hello, good evening, sir. Can we have your
Hello,
name,
sir.
please?
good evening, madam. Hello, good evening, madam.
Good evening,
Yes.
sir. Good evening, sir.
I'm Suresh Kartagadda.
Okay.
I'm State President for All India Consumer Protection Organization, Andhra Pradesh. I am working in the field of consumer protection. So, to enhance my knowledge, I wish to take this course. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
sir.
much, sir. I think that we always keep on having some persons who are working. Last time we had a expert who was working in the National Green Tribunal as a judge. So I think that there are a lot of experts who are coming in the field in the environmental law, and you being the chairperson, sir. So I believe that our faculties and also the other fellow participants are also going to intake a lot of insights from you, sir. Hoping to learn a lot from you also, sir. Thank you for joining the course.
Thank you, sir. Amar Abul. Can we have you? Yes, thank you so much. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself and what you are expecting from this course.
Myself, Mohammad Ammar Sneh. I belong from Uttar Pradesh, Bijnor. I have done my schooling from St. Mary's, and right now I am studying BLLB in my area, in my region. I am great to looking into learn about something new about environmental law and thank you.
Thank you. Next, can we have Anuradha Gupta? Yes, Anuradha ji, good evening. Am I audible? Okay. Good evening, Anuradha ji. She has unmuted herself, but I don't know. We can't hear her. No, we can't hear.
Maybe Anuradha ji, you can
Yes,
write.
she's here.
Yes.
She's
Am
here.
I audible now?
Yes, you are.
So, ma'am, I'm Anuradha Gupta. I'm from Delhi. So, basically, I'm a company secretary by profession and also an insolvency professional and a registered valuer. And I've been into practice since last almost 25 years. And basically, I want to join this particular course because, as you must be aware, that ESG and BRSR is being made mandatory in the listed companies. So, just to enhance my knowledge to get cater better services to my clients. So, that is the purpose of joining this course.
Right. That's a great thing.
That's in fact that's very practical of you, ma'am, to join this course because I believe that that's also need of the hour, and we also keep on getting the ideas that how what is the recent trends, and then we can analyze the same and use the same in the course curriculum also. So we'll make sure that our faculties also include these areas and help you train your skill sets. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, can we have Ashish Kumar Pradhan? Ashish Kumar Pradhan, can you unmute yourself? Can you unmute yourself?
Participants whose name is being called, try to be present. Today is the orientation program. I want some energy in you. And if your names are being called out, try to reflect the same because I think that the same enthusiasm should be continued throughout the 1 month certificate course. So it's a general suggestions to everyone. So please respond whenever your names are being called out.
If you can't, even if you can't, it's fine. We understand, but just let us know you are there.
Yeah. Or in that case, if you're not willing to speak, you can write in the chat box.
Yeah. Okay, we'll go next. Avisha Singh.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm
good
Avisha
evening.
Singh. Good evening. I'm pursuing BA Honours History from Miranda House, and I'm originally from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And so, why did I join this course? Actually, ever since I was little, I saw my surroundings being changed drastically. From lush greenery, I saw myself surrounded with these dull houses. So now that I'm in Delhi, there is a society in our college, MH Vatavaran, and I'm involved with them. So groundwork, I'm learning from them, and from you, I'm here to learn the laws so that I can be well prepped, so I can be more effective about it in the future.
Definitely, Avisha, ma'am. I think that's very important for every other maybe citizen of India who should know the legislations and other requirements which they need to imbibe. So thank you for joining the course.
Thank you. Okay, next we have is Yunus. Basit Yunus ji.
Very good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
My name is Basit Yunus. I am actually from J&K, Jammu and Kashmir. I have done my master's MTech Environment Science and Engineering from Jamia Millia Islamia, Delhi. So currently I am working as lecturer in higher education department in Jammu and Kashmir. I actually joined this course to add up my knowledge. So that's why I am joining this course.
Definitely, sir. I think that you yourself are is well versed with the the scenarios and the circumstances which are very much visible in front of us in the legislations also and about the practical applications of the same. So I think that you yourself can engage in the discussions whenever there is in the sessions also, so as to come up with some productive recommendations.
Yeah,
So thank you for
definitely.
joining the course.
By
Definitely.
default, even I am connected somehow with Jamia Millia and the Ramanujan University.
Islamic.
So
Yes,
it feels like, I mean, I'm also getting again connected with the people with these universities.
yes,
Great,
right,
great.
right.
And I happen to complete my graduation from Aligarh Muslim University, and a lot of friends are there in Jamia Millia. So I think that uh, again, it's a small world. People get
Right,
connected.
right.
Yes, but
Thank you,
definitely.
Basit sir.
Thank
Small
you, sir.
world, sir, small world.
Right.
Next, can we have Bhuvanesh Kumar?
Good evening to all.
Good evening.
I am Bhunesh Kumar. I am completed my master's in Environmental Science and Sustainable Management in Bharatdasan University, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Currently, I am working as an environmental officer in Chennai region. I am interested to move on environmental auditing field, so I interested to learn on environmental laws in India. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhuvan. I think that you're doing your course in environmental law. I think that will help you also to learn and unlearn more concepts related to the same. So thank you for joining the course.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Next, can we have Chandrakant? Chandrakant Khilari. Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, madam. Everybody, I'm from Kolhapur, passing through Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and now currently working in Free Innovtech System Mining in an energy. Some day company treated as a environmental issue, mining quarry in stone quarry proposal. So we can join environmental law, and this is a year 2013, 2017. Lots of norms are included in environmental aspects, so we can understand. So thank you for the joining us.
Thank you. Next, can we have Karthik? Karthik. No, not Karthik K. Karthik, next is your turn. We are here for Karthik Sudar. Yes. Good
Yes,
evening.
yes. Good evening, everyone. I'm basically from Tamil Nadu, and we are running an organization in the field of environment conservation. So I joined this course to enhance my knowledge about the environmental law and what is necessary to run our organization.
Okay. Okay, welcome. Next we have Karthike.
Very good evening to all.
Good evening.
Kartike Bhardwaj. I am a BCom graduate. I have done my BCom from Meerut Swami Vivekanand University, and currently I am pursuing my LLB 3 years from ICFA University Dehradun, and I am preparing for judiciary as well. And as a backup option, I am preparing for company secretary. I am in the CS executive level. So in CS executive, I came in front of a chapter relating to environmental laws, and after that, I saw the Instagram page of legal research analysis. So I found it very interesting, and I have uh, I'm very keen to learn about this topic, so I am pursuing this certificate course.
We are happy that It was a coincidence that you were going into your chapter of environment, and you connected with LRA through Instagram page. So yeah, welcome. Next, can we have Manisha Gopal?
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Anisha. I'm from Kerala. I'm a final year law student, and I'm interested in environmental. And I thought the motive in joining this is to have an in-depth analysis. And I think not only that, now we have a group of people who have a background in environment science here. I think we can have a great discussions and have an enriching experience. So I also like arbitration and environmental law. So I'm hoping to connect these both and learn more about the options. Thank you.
Okay.
Definitely, Manisha. I think that you were very specific with the ideas you want to get it from here. So I see a sense of clarity in your thought process. So I hope you will channelize the same whenever the classes are being held out. Thank you.
Thank you. Can we have
Thank you,
Manoj
sir.
Kumar ji?
Yeah, good evening to all.
Good evening.
Yeah, I am Manoj Kumar Marana, basically belongs from Odisha, and I have completed my BTech in Mechanical, then Advanced Diploma in Industrial Safety and Advanced Diploma in Environmental Engineering from MSBT. Presently, I am working as a Deputy Manager EHS in Adani Wilmar Limited, Paradip, Odisha. Yes, so I am joining this course because I am working with BRSR reporting and as well as the environment department. So it will help me to enhance my knowledge on the laws because during study time I have referred the laws, but what are the amendments? What are the latest things updated? It may be updated through this lesson. That's why I have joined this.
Definitely, I think that you yourself is let's say we can say that a field work in the experimental study is being conducted by you. So kind of it will help you to amplify your maybe thought process, and you can use the same in your practical experiences. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
That's okay, Ashish Kumar ji. That's okay. No problem. Okay, next, can we have Nandini? Can we have Nandini ji? Nandini ji?
Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are. You are.
Good evening, Professor. I am Nandini. I have done my bachelor's in environmental engineering and my post-graduation in environmental management from LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. And I'm looking for this course because environmental law is something that is very much important in the field of environmental engineering for sustainable development. That is something that it is a requirement for now. Then ESG also, and related to that, EIA is also the most important topic, which is basically easy to understand while studying, but while implementing it's very difficult. So I'm looking for that. Thank you.
Thank you, Nandini ji. I think that you have sensed the reality of the practical scenario. So it can be more useful to you if you take it that way. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, can we have Vikrant? Vikrant ji? Vikrant ji, can you unmute yourself?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Very good evening from my side, ma'am.
Good evening.
I am working in a government sector as a grade 2 secretary. We used to implement the government laws wherever there are people used to dump the garbage. So we used to work with the sanitation workers from morning 5:30 to evening 6 o'clock. It will help me, this course will help me to implement the laws.
Thank
I think
you.
you're very much associated with the government also. So there are a lot of things we can also exchange as far as the uh, implementational aspect is concerned. I think that because I happen to work also in the National Human Rights Commission and associated with the Ministry of Home Affairs. So we kept on conducting some research studies and areas where we found a lot of lacunas in the real work. I think that your domain knowledge can help us also to understand the importance of some implementational failure, and maybe in the recommendations you can recommend something which is very fruitful to the future, right, sir?
Yes, sir, sure. With your coordination, I will reach there.
Definitely. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next is Nirali ji, Nirali Shah.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, I'm Nirali Shah from Ahmedabad. I have done my BBA from GG University and I'm currently pursuing CS, Company Secretary course. I'm at executive level. Again, I'm so thankful that I have saw your post on Instagram and it's very helpful for me that I'm already studying an environmental law chapter. So that's why I just want to gain my knowledge from you.
Definitely, Nirali. I feel you are a bit nervous. So it's all right.
Yeah.
It's always good to start, and it's always nice to even understand the need of the hour. So since you have gauged the importance of the same and you have rightfully joined the course, so I hope it will be a use of you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank
All
you. Next, can we have Prajakta ji? Excuse me, Pranav sir. I'll be there in a minute. Two of our students are not able to join, so just give me 2
All right,
minutes.
all right.
Prajakta
You go,
ji?
I'll check.
I'm here. Just a call.
Hello.
Yeah, Prajakta.
Yeah, hello. Good evening, everyone. My name is Prajakta. I'm from Mumbai city. I have completed my LLB degree from University of Mumbai, and currently I'm pursuing my master's degree in environmental law. I have enrolled for this course to gain my knowledge on this particular subject and to help in my exams by pursuing my master's degree. So yeah, I want to enhance my knowledge on
Definitely.
this particular subject.
Yes.
Thank you.
I think environmental law is something which the people can only get to know the importance of it when they start reading and understanding how, again, it is easy to understand, and when it comes to the implementational aspect, how difficult it is to balance with the current setup with the CSR and other initiatives that are coming in the loop, right? So I think that it's very pivotal to understand the importance of the same. So thank you for joining the course. All right. Then whoever wish to come up, maybe since she'll be calling you, but I would want any of you to volunteer and come up if they want to introduce themselves.
Hi, good evening and join to all. Myself,
Hello, sir.
Sudhir. Actually, I'm serving in Indian Air Force right now, and
Okay.
really I want to enhance my knowledge especially in environmental law because I'm serving as a legal officer over here. Soon I will be retiring from the Air Force within 1 year. Then I'm looking to enhance this career in environmental. That's why I'm here to gain the knowledge in environmental law.
That's so nice of you, Sudhir, sir, because I see a professional who himself is an expert and you're a legal officer for that matter. So, but the zeal to keep learning has not ended since you're again going to retire in another year. But then I like that spirit in you, sir. So that's something which keeps us always motivated that it's not never an ending process and we always have to keep evolving. So thank you for joining the course, sir. I hope it will be used for you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Hi, this is Sandeep Kulkarni from Mumbai. Good evening to one and all. And I'm a assistant professor in KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce in the Department of Environmental Studies. I have joined this course to fill the gap because I'm basically from science background and then I'm teaching to the commerce students. So, and in anywhere, I don't have any link with law, studying law. So this is an opportunity I think will help me in building up my career, and also it will be very useful for me to teach my students about the environmental law because they are from commerce background basically. Thank
I
you very
get it,
much
sir.
for all of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sandeep, sir. I think that was very smart of you to take this particular 1 month certificate course because I believe that in the 8 lectures which we are going to deliver, we have tried to cover those areas which are of pivotal importance and very important for any basic learner also, and also who want to do some advanced study on the same. So I think for you, at least it can be a recap of what are the basic laws, and then a detailed study can be done by your own. But I think that it can be a pilot study for you, sir. So thank you for
Thank you.
joining the course.
Thank you very
All
much.
right.
Thank you. So I'm back. Oh, can I know what was the last name, sir? You took Sandeep,
So
sir.
Sandeep sir, actually now since I couldn't see the name
Okay.
on the list, so
Okay.
I asked anyone to volunteer and whoever wished to come up. So
Can
they
I
did
can
so.
I just go ahead? Whoever has finished, we can just pass on.
Skip
Okay.
them. Yes, yes,
Prashant
yes.
ji, are we done with Prashant ji?
No.
Prashant ji. Okay. Rahul ji, Rahul Bose. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. I don't know why people are not responding.
Rahul Bose, can we have you? Okay.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are. You are.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I
Good
am
evening.
Rahul Bose from West Bengal, Kolkata. Actually, I am in Kolkata Police and in traffic department as a special officer traffic. I'm in duty also because this is the Durga Puja time in Kolkata and
Yes,
we are
yes,
having our
yes.
special duty. And I am doing my doctorate in law, and this is a very hard time. Still, I will try to join whenever the classes are. Thank you.
That's a huge respect for you, sir, because I believe that you're being ambidextrous because you're trying to manage everything in that particular time frame where you also need to do a strict job and also do this particular thing also. So I think that people like you are setting examples for all of us who are thinking that I cannot do anything because I don't have time for that matter. So thank you so much, sir. Means a lot that you have joined this course and having officials of high rank gives more strength to our course because we feel that the importance is not only for the students but also for the professionals who are working in the field. So thank you for joining, sir. Much honored to have you.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Next we have is Ranadeep Chandra. Good evening.
I'm actually myself is Ranadev Chandra. I am a BTech Chartered Mechanical Engineer, also having post graduation in industrial safety, working since almost more than 23 years. Now, currently, I am associated with ITC family, working as an EHS head in the Kolkata region. Basically, I am a corporate auditor as well as also do internal audit, external. My intent of attending this course is basically I am a safety professional as well as I want to enrich my knowledge in the field of ESG. Yes, I have also worked in the ESG field and sustainability. I'm having work on experience on that, but not having some theoretical experience. So in order to enrich my, basically I have joined into this to add value to my career.
Thank you, Ranadeep, sir. I think that again, it's a common loop that I see that there are some of the experts who are working in the field, having that empirical study. But again, when it comes to the literature review and other theoretical framework, I think that it's going to complete your whole process which you are in. So thank you for joining the course. I hope it will be a worth to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right, sir.
Next we have is Ravikant Sharma. Good evening. Ravikant ji?
Maybe we can pass on.
Yeah, he's unmute, but yeah, okay. Uh, can we have Samar? Samar ji here? Just a minute. Yes.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm
good evening.
Samantha. Yeah, I belong to the city of Kashmir. And I was practicing in the court of Srinagar from last 7 years. And I'm pursuing LLM from People's University from Bhopal. But I have shifted to Hyderabad and I'm doing legal counseling here. So I thought to join this. I just got to know about this course and I thought I should join it because I need to upgrade myself and aware people around my community about the laws. So it's the basic need of an hour to know about the things. And it's the like as a social worker, being a lawyer and a social worker, I had to know things with the time to manage everything around. So I'm here.
Very interesting.
Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am, to join in because I believe that uh, you yourself have been experimenting a lot. Like, let's say, for example, for that, if you're traveling places, you have
Yeah.
gathered a lot of insights about the same. And now, since you have settled down in Hyderabad and associated with advocacy and academics also, so I think that it's something going to be a great use to you. Only if you utilize and be active in the classes
Definitely.
also.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next, can we have Samir Inamdar ji?
Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Myself Samir Inamdar. I am from Maharashtra. I did my master's in environmental journalism, environmental sciences, and law. Actually, I am an editor of magazine, environmental Paryavaran Sanskriti, the name. And I did my PhD in environmental journalism, and I won a PhD in environmental law. So I come here.
Glad to have you
That,
on board, sir.
Thank you.
in fact, we are also honored to have you, sir, because I feel that you can be also one of the domain expert to whom we can call maybe in the next upcoming session for some lectures also, sir. Because I see very few people who are, having that expertise in the field. So if you would have time, sir, we would also approach you in coming time, sir. Thank you,
And
sir.
we'll be even able to have a great articles on the environment.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you. Yeah, sure.
definitely, sir. Honored to have you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Sandeep Kulkarni ji. Are we done with Sandeep? Yes, we are done, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Shweta ji.
Hello, all of you, and a
Hello, good
very
evening.
good evening. Myself, Shweta Sinwal. I am from Uttarakhand and currently pursuing my pre-PhD in forestry itself. So, having a background of forestry, and this week we are celebrating the Vanotsav. So, I am very happy to join this. I hope so. It will be informative for me and interesting also. Not only like theoretical part we already know, but I want to gain some applied knowledge from the course. And very happy to see that we have a diversity of participants there. So glad for this opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah, I think that you can very much use your own connections because the group that has been created now, you can treat it as your family and your connections also. So maybe like, it's on you to utilize the same. And since we have a good number of academicians, professionals working in the area, so whenever there is a debate and discussions for that matter, I think any productive discussion will lead to some valuable feedback that can be also given to the recommendation to the government in the future. So which we are keeping on gathering so that we can suggest the same. So I hope you will also get benefit of the same. Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you. Next we have is Smriti ji. Smriti Panwar. Okay, no problem, Sudhir ji.
Thank you, Sudhir ji.
Smriti
Thank you very
ji.
much.
Okay, we'll go for Sri Lakshmi. Sri Lakshmi ji. Hi, good evening.
Maybe we can pass on.
The list actually gets over. Is someone remaining? Am I missing anybody's name? Or Ahmad ji, if I'm not wrong. Ahmad ji.
Happy
Hi, good
evening,
evening.
everyone.
Good
Am I
evening.
audible?
Yes, you are.
Actually, I have been listening to all the participants and thinking if I'm on the wrong platform here. I have nothing to do with the law and I'm not into any type of law over here. Basically, I'm a permaculturist and I'm into natural and sustainable farming. So it's been, I've started actually embarking into a journey with CSR, sustainability and ESG actually. So in that path, environmental law was something of interest to me. So I thought I'll join.
So definitely, sir, you are in the loop. You are nowhere kept aloof of the same because again, it's you understand the importance and you are here. So I think that it's always a good call to take forward your thought process ahead. So thank you for joining the course. I
And I
hope at
was
the end of the course, yes,
no, sorry,
yes.
sorry.
I hope at the end of the course you are at a situation where you feel that you are not the person who shouldn't join. So it will anyway benefit you. If not at all, then your knowledge base will be increased. Sir. So thank you.
That's true. I was about to say that no way you can be on a wrong platform because your profile itself says the grass is greener where you water it. So I don't think.
My particular interest is to dedicate into, it's my passion actually. I wanted to dedicate myself into environmental sustainability because today it's a big issue going on around the world. And I've seen a lot of soils being destroyed over here. I'm from Tamil Nadu and I visit many farms. I'm a consultant as well. So seeing this scenario here and the environmental loss that is happening is really painful actually.
Right.
Thank you.
So now, am I missing anyone? Am I skipping any name? No, right?
Fine, then I think that I'll wish all the luck to everyone. I hope that the timeline which has already been shared in the group, you'll adhere to the same. There is a short guideline also. That's about the task, which Shikha will very much explain you. That you all actually have to write down an article on environmental law. Either the topic can be from the lectures that has been delivered, or number two, any of the topic of your own choice, which you yourself feel that you can write good on it. So you can go ahead with that. I think that it is an mandatory thing to submit. Only after then certificate will be given to you. Because I personally keep on saying that the purpose is exhausted if you actually are not able to pen down your thought process, which you have gathered throughout the course. So with this, I think that yeah,
Sure.
Shika, I'll give it to
So
you.
one participant, Sri Lakshmi ji, she's here and she
Yes,
wants to.
yes.
Yes,
Okay.
please
Oh, I'm so
introduce
sorry.
yourself. Sri Lakshmi ji, introduce yourself.
I think Ravikant sir has raised his hand.
Yes, Ravikant ji.
So you're not audible.
Not audible, sir.
Maybe you can disconnect your Bluetooth and try again. I think we have missed Ravikant ji also.
So about the timeline and about the
Yes, yes.
the task, what I'll do is tomorrow when we join 15 minutes prior to the session, I'm going to take that 10 to 15 minutes to explain everything, and then they can have their questions raised. I hope that works, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Because today I
Okay.
think there will be doubts to a lot of students with how to write
Yes,
about. I think a separate session or separate timing should be there to take up all the issues.
that works. So thank
Ravikant
you.
sir, I'm so sorry that
Oh,
I couldn't take up
sorry.
your query. And if you want to write anything in the chat box, you can do that. And we very much understand your participations also, and we also understand the technical glitch also going on. So we do not have any problem with that. I think
Okay.
sir is back.
Seems to be a
No.
network issue.
Yes, 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 yes. So you
Okay,
can
thank you
formally
all.
close this orientation session, Sika.
Thank you all for joining us in this insightful orientation session. We hope you all are excited as we are begin to join this journey together. As we conclude today, I would like to remind you everyone that our first session will take place tomorrow at the same time, 6:30 p.m. I'm going to see you all at 6:15. Thank you once again, and we'll see you again tomorrow evening. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Shri Lakshmi ji, we have read your message. Thank you.